you are a nurse in the Philippines or other country and you are losing hope to reach your American dream because of the current Visa Bulletin update, well, here's the right video for you. Now, we will play Never Have I Ever Filipino Nurse in the US edition. All the things that I'm gonna share to you is based on my experience working here as a nurse in the US for 1 year and 6 months. Our first one is never have I ever worked night shift here in the US. In the hospital that I'm working right now, you can select a shift. Where do you want to work? For me, I'm under mid shift, so I always work 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. because it's a 12-hour shift. Unlike in the Philippines, we can work like AM shift and PM shift after. So mga katihik, ang pinupuyatan ko lang dito is K-drama lang talaga. Number 2 is never have I ever worked here for free. Here in the US, every second counts. Even if you're in a meeting or on education, you will still get paid. Though the overtime pay starts beyond the 40th hour, they will still pay you the regular rate before that. Also dito ang overtime mga katihik. Our third is never have I ever felt outcasted here. The trainings and incentives that they can get can also be given to me and to other international nurses. Hindi uso dito yung pag-anak ka ng chief nurse, ma-receive mo yung princess treatment. That's a big no, because dito, everybody is equal. Our fourth is never have I ever experienced doing a code here under staff. Every time we have a code or trauma, everybody will be paged. The doctors, anesthesiologists, respiratory therapists, pharmacists will come and they will help you. So if you are the primary nurse, all you have to do is just chart. Tapos meron kang nurse to do the IV. You have another nurse to be assigned to the monitor, another nurse to give the medicine. Then the RT will be assigned for the ambu bagging. Then pharmacy will also be there. They'll be the one to prepare the medication and the IV nurse will be the one to give it. So hindi ko na-experience dito yung na-experience ko sa Philippines na ikaw pa yung mag-ambu bag tapos ikaw pa yung magbigay ng epi dahil understaffed tayo doon. Then the last never have I ever is never have I ever experienced here to receive my salary late. So our pay period here is every 2 Fridays. If that's gonna be our salary day, as early as 12 midnight, papasok na agad yung salary sa checking account namin. So mga katihik, hope this video inspires you to continue reaching your American dream. Just hang on tight and magka-current din yung Visa Bulletin. And makakapunta at makakapag-work na din kayo dito sa US. Thank you for watching mga katihik! And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video!